Hi everyone, and in today's lesson we're going to be looking at three words that are very common in English but sometimes confuse students. The words we're going to look at are either, neither and both. So to begin with, let's think about pronunciation.
Why?
You've probably heard people say either and other people say either. Both of them are correct. Either is more common in America and either is more common with British English speakers. Both of them are correct. Similarly with the word neither, that is more common in America and neither is more common in British English. Again, both of them are correct. Do you notice either, neither and both? Well, all three contain the TH sound. You need to stick out your tongue to make the TH sound correctly. And if you'd like some more help with that, you can have a look at the video I made on TH sound. First, let's look at either. Either means one of two. This one or this one. You can have your next lesson either in the morning or the afternoon. Either would be fine. I'm free all day. He works in either McDonald's or KFC. I'm not sure. You can also use either to agree with a negative statement made by another person. For example, I don't like the smell of durian. I don't like the smell of durian either. So how about using the word neither? Neither means not this one, nor this one. I like neither Liverpool nor Manchester United. I know, but you have to admit it was a good game. Neither team wanted to lose. I speak neither Chinese nor Japanese. Neither Somchai nor Somsak work for this company anymore.
Really?
And neither can also be used to agree with a negative statement made by someone else. Remember our story about durian? I don't like the smell of durian. Neither do I. I've never been to Hua Hin. Neither have I. I didn't go to English class yesterday. Neither did I. And you can also use neither on its own like this. Would you like tea or coffee? Neither thanks. I'm not thirsty. So finally today, let's look at using the word both. Both means this one and this one.
I know!
Would you prefer cake or ice cream? I'd prefer to have both. Wow, look at that picture of Nardek.
Wow.
He's both tall and handsome. Both Somchai and Somsak work for this company. Both my friends were late for class this morning. Or you can use both of with the same meaning as well. So I could have said, both of my friends were late for class this morning. So far we've looked at choosing between two things But how about if there are more than two things to choose from? What can we say then? Well, you can use all of in positive statements and questions like this. Do all of our lessons start at midday? Yes, all of them do. And you can use none of in negative statements like this. Can all of your students speak Korean? No, none of them can speak Korean, but some of them can dance Korean style. And you can see there, everyone, that we can use some of them when there's a mixture between can and cannot, positive and negative. So tell me the truth, everyone. Have you either subscribed or given a like to my channel? Well, I think you should both subscribe and give a like because that would make me both happy and satisfied. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video very soon. But for now, everyone, bye bye.